Second attempt at getting the door off has been successful because I used the right tool with help from sport people. They pointed out that if I had a long enough bar, I could actually get it in there without having to take off this cowling. Good news. Right, on to the next bit. So door off, then front cowling. Don't think I need to take that plastic off, but we shall see. And next for front quarter. Okay, so maybe 1 hour later, I think, no exaggeration, I've got the mirror off. Getting to this bolt on the end is a complete nightmare. I didn't have anything that would fit in that end, so I couldn't unscrew it from that end. I think I needed to undo that one anyway, so I found that you had to go as you can see it's off now, up inside there in order to release that bolt. So I was having to use this kind of setup to be able to reach the nut. So yeah, side panel is now off. Great. Slower then. That's still making that noise. That beep's a funny noise. Okay, I'm done. It's nearly 5:30. Can't remember exactly what time I started. I think it was around 11:30. So, first one was obviously harder than the second one, but still a pain. That was a lot of work, but I'm happy with the results. I think it looks pretty smart. Holes have just been temporarily covered up with a bit of tape, but I'll look to get some rubber bungs or something for those, and all is good. Blink rate's a little slower than before, but everything is still working. I've not broken anything. There's one washer left over, but nah, whatever. Not worried. Visibility is still good. Let's have a quick look. Had the fans on to check that I hadn't broken any connections. So there we go. Still pretty good visibility. Long day, but worth it.